Chinese economy has remained upbeat and China-proposed initiatives are beneficial to the world. A Zambian social economist has said,
China economy has remained strongly upbeat in terms of technological advancement. They have built a very good industrial base across which actually is even catering for the entire global economy.
Gaizanga said, China has demonstrated its friendship and goodwill towards the African continent through cooperation in various fields such as infrastructure.
China has taken that model in place and trying to be futuristic as compared to the Western economy. And that's the reason why they have actually remained upbeat, also trying to look at a way of integrating marines, land, road, and all these other concepts. Trying strongly also to work around certain projects like even rail lines, working with the good for viable investment projects in Africa and in many other lands.